Are you ready?
I am ready.
Hit the button, my friend. Okay. Make sure he's got his seatbelt on.
Absolutely.
Gotta strap that guy in.
Children first.
Children first.
Yeah.
Children, llamas.
There you go.
When ready, use the touch screen to close the door.
So, before we go, safety first, buckle your seatbelts. There are 2 emergency doors, one to the left, one to the right. And if you need to press up on the glass, let's not have to do that. But great safety features all the way around with the Zoox. This is epic. You're gonna choose the tunes that you wanna listen to. He's going with the 80s, folks. He's got you too. Look at that. You got volume on there, climate controls. First time in a Zoox?
First time in any autonomous vehicle.
What is your full name?
Alexander de Ritter.
Name of your startup.
SmythOS.
Business challenges are you actually solving?
Now we are at a crossroads in history, where once again a new internet is forming before our eyes. What SmythOS is and what we've done is we've created the Linux for AI agents. It's an operating system that you can run your agents on.
Okay.
We have development kits to help you build agents. We started building this before people knew the definition of an AI agent.
Before LLM stood for llama.
The biggest satisfaction I get from startup life is the impact that it can have on people I hire. The best people that you can hire are not always the people who are most skilled, but have like the best personalities. They're a joy to work with, they take initiative, they go the extra mile. You are the one who like takes them out of that and gives them that opportunity. You have the kind of loyalty my father would speak of, like it used to be with employers and employees. To see people grow and elevate that way, that's one of the most rewarding things.
Did you feel that surge right now?
Yeah.
Hey, this Zoox has got a little giddy up and go, huh?
There's a little punch to it.
Yeah. What do we have next to us? We're racing. What's the walk-off song?
Oh, Lord. Walk-off song, I would have to think about that for a moment. But I will tell you, Fake Plastic Trees is my favorite
Plastic
song.
Trees.
Fake Plastic Trees.
But not this one?
It is a pretty good walk-off song. We're halfway there. My name's Alexander de Ritter, and I just took a robo-ride with EP.
Thank you, Zoox. Getting us here safely. And the doors open a la Zoox.